Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how you can quickly tell if an email claiming to be from Microsoft Account Protection is truly safe and not a scam. Welcome to our channel. Identifying a safe email from Microsoft Account Protection is crucial to protecting your data and avoiding phishing scams. Here is a clear step-by-step method to help you verify these emails with confidence. First, check the sender's email address. Genuine emails from Microsoft will come from an address ending with at Microsoft.com, or sometimes more specific domains like at account.microsoft.com or at security.microsoft.com. Be cautious. If you see addresses that have slight misspellings, extra words, or different domain endings such as .net or. Next, look closely at the greeting. Microsoft emails usually address you by your full name or the account name you registered. Never trust generic greetings like Dear Customer or Hello User, which are commonly used in phishing emails. Third, examine the content carefully. Real Microsoft security alerts will inform you about specific issues affecting your account like unusual sign-in activity, recent password changes, or account recovery attempts, and will never pressure you to act immediately or ask for personal information like your password or credit card details. Fourth, avoid clicking on any links or downloading attachments directly from the email. Instead, manually go to Microsoft's official website by typing the URL in your browser, or use the official Microsoft app to check your account status. This ensures you don't fall into traps set by fraudulent links. Fifth, consider checking the email header. If you know how, the header can provide detailed routing information confirming if the email truly originated from Microsoft servers or not. If you're unsure, ask someone knowledgeable or use online header analysis tools as a second opinion. Sixth, keep your antivirus software and security updates on your devices current. This helps prevent malicious attacks even if you accidentally interact with phishing emails. Finally, trust your instincts. If the email seems suspicious with poor grammar, spelling errors, or urgent threats, it likely is not from Microsoft. Remember, Microsoft Account Protection emails will never ask for your password via email, nor will they threat to close your account without valid reason. By following these steps, you can protect your personal information effectively and respond safely to genuine security alerts. Stay vigilant and always verify before you trust those emails. At the end of the day, your safety online depends on knowledge and caution. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable security tips and updates.